Do you know that you can now easily make money just by downloading apps to your phone? In this video, I'll show you how to get started with earning passive income by downloading apps for the iPhone and Android. You'll see how this process is simple, and you don't need any experience. With a little bit of practice, you can be earning in just minutes a day from your phone. You can earn $100 instantly by downloading apps for free, taking surveys, completing offers, and more. But before we start, make sure to check the links below in the description. I am sharing a very special and exclusive methods to make more than $1,000 each and every day. So, make sure you don't miss out on that. Now, let's jump to the video, and make sure to watch till the end. Remember to subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell. Often it can be hard to find ways to make money on the side, especially when you have a 9-to-5 job. Luckily, there are lots of new opportunities out there these days that allow you to build your own business on evenings and weekends. Many people are now turning to the GPT sites that offer small amounts of money for completing simple tasks online. I will show you in this video one of the most popular online reward portals in the market today. It is called irazoo.com. Irazoo is a popular rewards program. Give you free gift cards and cash for the everyday things you already do online. Earn points when you watch videos, complete offers, answer surveys, share your opinions, play games, download apps, and watch entertaining videos. Everything you do earns points. Also, you can earn by refer friends. Earning rewards at Irazoo is easy. Simply download apps on your mobile devices. You will earn for trying out the latest and best apps. Download the newest games, utility programs, and other apps to earn Irazoo points. Irazoo supports devices with Android and iOS. Simply download and earn. Also, Irazoo TV allows you to earn Irazoo points for each video that you watch. Short films, new advertisements, app trailers, cooking tutorials, movie reviews, and much more. Anything you watch you earn Irazoo points. Answer surveys about entertainment, sports, shopping, health, and many more. Every paid survey rewards you for your time. Paid surveys are a favorite activity, with the best earnings at Irazoo. And you can get paid how you want when you want. Select from the biggest brands online today like Amazon and iTunes, or turn those points into cash from PayPal. In the end, Irazoo is a legit site and has a rating of 4.5 out of 5 on Trustpilot. A rating this high means many people deem it an excellent platform. But the earnings are not that much. Although it offers several ways to earn points, the progress can be slow. If you have the time for Irazoo, however, it can still be a good way to earn some money as a side hustle. I suggest that you use Irazoo along with other GPT sites, so you have better chances to earn more money. However, if you are looking for earning more money, make sure to check the links in the description below to start making more than $1,000 each and every day, and also other methods to make some money instantly. In the end, if you found this video valuable, give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell.